Hi, I'm Mr. Schwanebeck from Horizon Elementary. Today I want to introduce you to a famous African-American artist named Horace Pippin. His paintings were created in the 1930s and 1940s, and there's a really great book called A Splash of Red by Jen Bryant that tells his remarkable story. He was a self-taught artist, which as a folk artist means that he didn't go to art school. He didn't have any official formal training. He learned it all on his own from practice and from careful observation. He didn't even have any art supplies as a kid. He would make drawings with his pencils, and his friends and teachers and family recognized that he had some talent, but it wasn't until he won an art contest for an art supply company that he got his first box of crayons as a prize. As he grew up, he had many different jobs, but the one that probably made the biggest impact on his life was being a soldier in World War I. While fighting for his country, he was wounded by a sniper. The bullet that hit his arm made it very difficult for him to do. He lost a lot of strength in his arm, and it was difficult for him to do many of the jobs and to do a lot of the work that he was used to. He picked up painting again as an adult in order to rehabilitate his arm, to work those muscles and gain back some strength. I want you to check out that book, A Splash of Red, to learn a little bit more about his art and his life. Then I have a goal for you today. In your sketchbook, I want you to make a sketch of a portrait of yourself. I want you to pay attention to the shape of your eyes, the details of your face, the things that make you look special, unique, that look like you. And I want you to brainstorm a list of interests that you have. Could be places that you enjoy being, activities that you enjoy doing. You can brainstorm this list with words, or you can brainstorm the list by drawing pictures of those things. Next week, we're going to take your portrait and your brainstorm list, and we're going to put it together in a portrait inspired by the illustrations of that book, A Splash of Red. When you're finished, be sure to take a picture and post it to Seesaw so that your teachers can see it.